After graduating from the welding program, I got a job in industry as a welder and progressed into doing mobile welding, which in turn led me to the point where I am today as a business owner. Here at Driven Industries, we employ 7 people. Our work is very competitive and fast-paced.
I was a hairstylist for 22 years and I needed a career change. I chose welding because I thought there was lots of different opportunities. So in the Women in Trades and Technology program, I took the exploratory course in welding for the day, and that's what made me decide to go into the welding program.
I heard nothing but great things about this program and school, and so I decided to apply. But I don't regret one thing now. It's more than just a school, it's a community and everybody works together here. And well, I would love to get my journey person and hopefully own my own shop and get my truck.
Some of the highlights would be working with 11 other students in your class, eventually becoming great friends and possibly even co-workers with those people. The faculty here all comes from the trades. Instructors, lots of one-on-one, lots of learning how to use equipment, from brakes to shears to drill presses to all various aspects in the welding. So if you want to be successful in the program, being the first person to show up, the last person to leave, working hard the whole day, listening to the instructors, asking questions, that's why we're here. We're here to train you. We don't expect you to know everything.
There's lots of opportunity, and if you put in some hard work and commitment, the opportunities are endless.
Go for it. Let's go 100%. Go for it. You never know until you actually take a shot at it.
Go for it. Don't worry about anything. It's not easy, but it is very rewarding.